Hello friends, this is Hermes D4 and welcome to my channel. And today this video is all about what to check when you are going to take delivery of new bike or Domino 400. So here I'll give you some tips for pre-inspection checks for the new bike. So friends, when you are going to buy a new bike, first of all you can check that is the visible scratch on the bike. So you can check the paint quality, whether the bike is having any issue with the paint or not. You can check the odometer reading, it can show some reading. So there may be possibility that the bike may be delivered from stock warehouse to individual showrooms. So it may be required to drive the vehicle to get delivered to the respective showroom. So it may be some reading for 5 kilometer up to 6 kilometer. And the service engineers, they also do a test drive, a short test drive, to check whether the bike is having any problem or not. So that's the reason the odometer can show you some reading 4 kilometer, 5 or 6, but it should not show more than 5-6 kilometer. If it is showing 100 or 200, so definitely it is a test ridden bike, so you should refuse to take it. So in some case, if you are not aware, the reading is showing 0 or 5-6 kilometer, but you have a doubt that the bike may be test ridden. So how you can check that, I'll show you. So first thing you can check is the tire. So you can see when the tire is removed from the mold, it may have some impression of the mold like this, the tiny things dangling from the tire. So as soon as the bike is ridden, so in my case I have ridden my bike near about 300 kilometers, so these molds are cleared. But if the bike is new, when I have taken the delivery, so you can see this ridge or this impression or this dangling thing, it was altogether jointed, and it was coming, or it was dangling from this side also. You can see the line here. So by the time you ride the bike, these things fade away, and if the bike is new, you can clearly see the quality of the tire, then it is a new. So by this mean you can ensure the bike is test ridden or not. And another thing what you can check is the visible scratches or some scuff marks which will appear when we use the bike. You can also check the scuff mark at this lever and this grips also. It will have some small scuff mark just because of the riding way. The people rides in a different way, so according to users it will have some scuff marks. Another thing you can check is the engine oil. So as soon as you buy the bike, the engine oil is crystal clear, it will not have any color. So I have ridden my bike 300. Right now it become somewhat brown, slight brown, and as you will ride the bike, it will become a dark brown color. It will, just because of the shedding of the engine, because it is a new bike. So the new bike sheds a lot metal particle due to break-in of the new engine. So it will change its color to brown to dark brown, or ultimately it will goes black. So there is another thing, this is another checkpoint you can check. So if it is a crystal clear, so then you will come to know that the bike is not used. So friend, this is the point, as I think you can check whether your bike is test ridden or not.